Hi guys, it's me Sky, and we had a new adventure. So my friends told me there's a baby kitten. Here's my friend Aslan, and look at this right in front of this. Look at that. I've never seen that before, so
No, don't touch it. May langgam.
so hamster. And then there's a bee. My hamsters. We don't know what to do. And there's the baby kitten. We don't know what to do because the ants are fighting and everything was here. I don't know what's happening. I'm just walking down the street. I just don't know what to do to scare those ants. And can you please stop? Sorry. Because somebody's following me. Somebody's following me. Bakit Mary? Ayaw po sa'yo. Sorry, everyone. Because my ex-friend right here. I hate her a lot of times. And somebody's here spoiling my video. So I'm gonna show you one more time. We're not gonna give up. Do not Opo. Okay, there's a lot of fights here, like a blah 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 blah. And that's all here. Why are puniting it? Hindi ko gusto. Hindi kita gusto. So there you go.
Baho po niya.
Ang baho niya si Kai. Sige. Bakit?
Nabaho ka?
Mabaho ikaw. Here's bad Jan. That is fine. That's largest real detail I've ever seen. I'm not impressed. Wyatt! I know what I'm doing. Hi. So here's my friend. And we're walking. Oh no! Somebody's racing there on the stream. So I'm gonna show you the lake. And it's dry and everything. You know that? And you know that. I'm gonna put down this phone. And somebody's not ruining my video. So here's the stream day. It's kind of what? And you hear me hiss. That's what I do. Look at my hiss. Ano naman kasi yung ginagawa mo, Pichel? Yeah. Anong ginawa niya sa'yo? Nakapush niya ako. And here's my friend, Kaisi. Yung bate. Ay, amon! Hindi namin bate yan eh. Hindi kita bate. Here's Baby Jane. And I'm about to kick out of the squad. Pusa, walang ipapost natin niya ulit. Come on, let's go.
Ni Kai, singidin niya. Gusto ang vlog.
Come on. I'll show you. Okay, hold my this. I'll show you. The stream lake. Quiet!
Pusa, walang mataalaga.
And here I am.
Ang bapo ni Kai, ang bapo ni Sky.
Sabi natin putok, badi. Oh, come on. princess. The princess. Run! Okay, we better run! Whoa. Okay. They're still coming right at us. So I should say louder. Daisy!
I-post na natin sa YouTube. Ano yan?
Okay. Okay. Ito.
Oh my baboy. Panalo ako. Ikot tayo. Sa bahay nila.
Tuloy ba yan? Naway niya ako. Naaway ikaw yan.
Tara na, post na natin.
Somebody's ruining my video. Right now. Okay. Okay. We run. We need to save Kaising before it's too late. Tumbok, tumbok. Ay, si Kaising eh. So, somebody's running my video. Ayoko.
Saan ka ba bukas?
Yung tutuloy na natin na break.
Wala ka!
Dito na si Kuya. If somebody catch us, this love motor will catch us. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. And don't Buksan mo yung face mask mo, Sky. There you go.
Tayo mata.
Somebody's ruining our video. So, here you have it, folks. You should subscribe, or maybe you should play Scary Piggy. So let's go.
Hello.
Hawakan ko sa phone. Hi! No! This is Give me my phone. Botol. Yes, baby Jen. Can we go to the back there? I'm about to scream. Whew. Could that calm me down, right? Panoorin natin yung Lava Sky bago. Ano love? Lava. So, there's a lot of volcanoes around. And after that, I'm gonna show the one baby kitten. Come on, let's go somewhere else. Not on this loud place. This is Pep. That's Pep right there. Just wait. Tuloy na. That's not it. Tuloy, guys. So I was angry, and here she is. Ako!
Hindi ka pwede sumama kasi malayo. Kaya hindi siya nakita ng mga barangay sa sobrang bilis niya.
Bigyan ko si Flash.
Tinanggal na kaya sexy.
Ayoko na yan.
Tignan mo sa akin.
I'm about to get angry. Ano?
Sira ako.
Ito.